Hey everybody, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you my friend the Punnet Square. The Punnet Square was introduced by Reginald Punnet in the early 20th century, and it's a simple tool for determining the genotypes of offspring based on the genotypes of their parents. So let's take a look at a simple example. For historical purposes, we're going to go with pea plants, and we're going to take a look at pod color. In pea plants, yellow is dominant to green, so we'll use the letter Y for our symbol. We'll use a capital Y for a dominant yellow allele and a lowercase y for the recessive green allele. And let's see what we get. We're doing a monohybrid cross, which means mono, one trait, hybrid, both parents heterozygous at that locus. And we'll cross them and see what we get. So we have a capital Y and a capital Y. We'll go ahead and put those in here. We have a capital Y and a lowercase y. We'll go ahead and put those in here. We have a capital Y and a lowercase y. We'll go ahead and put those in here. And we have a lowercase y and a lowercase y. We'll go ahead and put those in here. So what are we seeing? What we're seeing is that the genotypes we get from crossing these two parents are capital Y, or dominant, dominant, dominant recessive, dominant recessive, recessive recessive. Phenotypically, what does that mean? Well, we're going to see 3 yellow offspring and 1 green offspring for every 4 offspring these parents produce. That's a 3-to-1 phenotypic ratio, and that's typical of what we see in a monohybrid cross. So that's it. That's the simple Punnet Square. Easy and definitely very useful.